You are watching Kidiez World TV. Hello and welcome to my channel Kidiez World TV. How are you friends? I hope you all are fine. We are here with another very colorful episode for you, and these animals will bring to you today we can see in our daily life. Most of them we can see in our daily life, like we have dog, like we have cow, like we have sheep, and like we have some dinosaur. Of course we cannot see the dinosaur, so let's start our video with dog. Dog is a pet animal, also comes in a farm animal category. Let's watch him. Here we go. Dog. And the next one we have is camel. Camel is a big animal, belong to desert and wild animal category. Let's watch him. Here we go. Camel.
Boom, boom, boom. Alice the camel has two humps. Alice the camel has two humps. Alice the camel has.
Let's check out the next one, and the next one we have is cow. Cow is a very lovely farm animal and the big animal. Let's watch him. Here we go. Cow. Let's check out the next one, and the next one we have is tiger, which is a big wild cat. Let's watch him. Tiger is a very beautiful wild animal. Here we go. Tiger. Let's check out the next one, and the next one we have is antelope. Antelopes are cute animals. These are also big animals. Let's watch him. Here we go. Antelope. Let's check out the next one, and the next one we have is bear. Bear are big and heavy animals. They are very strong. Let's watch him. Here we go. Bear. Let's check out the next one, and the next one we have is reindeer. Reindeer are also big animal. They have a bunch of honks on their head. Here we go. Reindeer. Let's check out the next one, and the next one we have is elephant, which are the biggest animal on the planet right now. Elephants can found in different regions, mainly in Africa, Sri Lanka, India. Elephant. And the next one we have is hippopotamus, which are the big animal. They have a big mouth, very strong, big body. Here we go. Hippopotamus.
I am a hippopotamus. I never make a fuss. I grunt through my nose, which is slightly.
Let's check out the next one, and the next one we have is giraffe. Giraffe are also big animal. They belong to Sahara African. Here we go. Giraffe. And the next one we have is moose. Moose are also big animal. They have big honks on their head. Let's watch him. Here we go. Moose.
There was a great big moose. There was a great big moose. He liked to drink a lot of juice.
And the next one we have is zebra. Zebras are big animals. They have black and white straps on all over their body, which make these animals cute and unique. Zebra.
हाँ? बहुत फनी लगता है, लेकिन मुझे पसंद है।
ऐसे आधे ज़ीब्रा को भला क्या कहते हैं?
Let's check out the next one, and the next one we have is sheep. Sheep are also big animal, belong to farm animal category. These are also very innocent and harmless animals. Sheep. And the next one we have cheetah. Cheetahs are big wild cat, belong to African jungle, Sahara deserts and different region of the world. Cheetah.
I'm so fast,
Vroomity vroom.
faster than cars.
Zoom zoom vroom.
Watch them go, the fastest running animal.
And the next one we have Dilophosaurus. These are big dinosaurs, move with 2 legs by diet. These are carnivorous. They were on Earth around million years ago. Here we go, Dilophosaurus.
A Dilophosaurus.
And the next one we have big African animal, Rhinoceros. Rhinoceros are very strong and very big animal. Rhino has 2 big honks just above his nose. Here we go, Rhinoceros. And the last one we have Giganotosaurus. These are dinosaurs. They were on Earth around million years ago. Giganotosaurus are carnivorous by diet and they move with 2 legs. Giganotosaurus.
I'm a giant animal, so don't you mess with me.
So this is it from today. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and thank you so much for watching the show. Have a great day friends. Take care. Bye bye.